Welcome. 6th Standard Science, Chapter 3 Mindful Eating A Path to a Healthy Body. Part 2 Question Answer. Textbook name is Curiosity Part 1 as per 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board Syllabus. 1 marks question. Question number 1. Which nutrient is known as energy giving food? Answer carbohydrates. Question number 2. Deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease? Answer is rickets. Question number 3. One millet that is rich in calcium. Answer ragi. Question number 4. What do we call the distance food travels from farm to our plate? Answer food miles. Question number 5. Which type food helps in growth and repair of the body? Answer proteins. 2 marks questions. Question number 1. Why should we avoid eating too much junk food? Answer. Junk food contains too much fat, sugar, and salt, but lacks the essential nutrients. Eating them regularly can cause obesity and health problems. Question number 2. Give 2 reasons why millets are called nutri cereals. Answer. They are rich in fiber, calcium, iron, and vitamins. They are good for health and support sustainable farming. Question number 3. Write any 2 differences between olden day cooking methods and present day cooking methods. Answer. Olden days, food cooked on chula and or silbatta. Present day, food cooked on gas stoves, mixers, grinders, microwaves. Question, question number 1. 3 marks questions. What are the main components of balanced diet? Balanced diet includes first, carbohydrates and fats for energy. 2. Proteins for growth and repair. 3. Vitamins and minerals to protect from diseases. 4. Roughage and water for digestion and absorption. To explain the importance of food miles and how reducing them is helpful. Answer. Food miles, distance food travels from farm to plate. 2. Reducing food miles helps by supporting local farmers, reducing pollution from transport, keeping food fresh and nutritious. Question number 3. List any 3 deficiency diseases that causes and symptoms. Answer. Scurvy due to lack of vitamin C, bleeding gums. Goiter due to lack of iodine, swelling in neck. Night blindness due to lack of vitamin A, poor vision at night. 5 marks questions. Question number 1. Explain with examples how food habits differ across different states of India. Food habits in India vary due to soil, crops, climate, and traditions. For example, Punjab, sarson da saag, makki di roti, lassi. Karnataka, idli, dosa, ragi mudde. Manipur, aromba, sinjo. This diversity shows how local crops and culture influence eating habits. Question number 2. Describe the role of different nutrients in our body. Carbohydrates, fats provide energy. Rice, wheat, ghee, nuts are examples. 2. Proteins help in growth and repair. Examples are pulses, milk, eggs, fish. Question number 3. Vitamins and minerals protect from diseases. Example fruits, vegetables, milk. 4. Roughage and water aid in digestion and absorption. Together, they maintain good health. Question number 3. What is a balanced diet? Why is it important? Give examples. Balanced diet is a diet that contains all nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and water in proper amounts. It is important because it helps in growth, provides energy, and protects from diseases. Example, a meal with rice, chapati, dal, vegetables, salad, curd, and fruits is a balanced diet. Question number 4. What are millets? Mention their importance in our diet and farming. Example. Answer. Millets are small seeded cereals like jowar, bajra, ragi, sanwa. They are called nutri-cereals because they are rich in fiber, iron, calcium, and vitamin. Importance. Keep us strong and healthy, useful in fighting malnutrition, grow well in less water, good for farmers and sustainable farming. Question number 5. Explain the term food miles. How can we reduce food miles and why should we do so? Food miles, the distance food travels from farm, storage, then transport, then to shop, and then to plate. We should reduce the food miles because it supports local farmers. It reduces air pollution caused by transport. It keeps food fresh and nutritious. Example, eating seasonal foods grown locally instead of imported ones. Fill in the blanks. 1. The nutrient that gives us instant energy is carbohydrate. 2. Deficiency of dash causes night blindness. Answer is vitamin A. Third one. Food, foods like pulses, milk, and eggs are rich in dash protein. Question number 4. Ragi and bajra are examples of millets, nutri-cereals. Question number 5. The distance food travels from farm to our plate is called dash. Answer food item, food miles. True or false? Question number 1. Carbohydrates and fats are body building foods. False. They are energy giving foods. Question number 2. Junk food is rich in nutrients and keeps us healthy. False. Junk food is unhealthy and low in nutrients. Question number 3. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. Answer true. Question number 4. Millets like jowar and ragi are good for health. True. Question number 5. Reducing food miles helps the farmers and keeps food fresh. True. Match the following. Option A, nutrient function. 1. Carbohydrate provides energy. C. 2. Proteins. A. Growth and repair. Third one, vitamin A protects from diseases. Option B. Fourth one, iron. Answer is D. Prevents anemia. Fifth one, millets. Ragi, bajra. Option A. Nutri-cereals rich in calcium and fiber. Let us enhance our learning. These are the question and answer questions given in the textbook. Answers to these questions are question number 1. Pick the odd one out, give reasons. 1. Jowar, bajra, ragi, chana. Second, kidney beans, green gram, soya bean, rice. 1. Jowar, bajra, ragi, chana. Chana is a pulse, protein source, while the others are millets, energy giving foods. Second, kidney beans, green gram, soya bean, rice. Rice is a cereal, carbohydrate rich, while the others are pulses, protein rich. 2. Discuss traditional versus modern culinary practices in India. Traditional versus modern culinary practices. Traditional cooking on chulha, grinding with silabatta, using earthen pots, slow cooking, seasonal, and local foods. Modern gas stoves are used, mixer grinders, microwaves, packaged and ready to eat food, faster cooking, processed food. Question number 3. A teacher says that good food may act as medicine. Ravi is curious about this statement and has some questions for this his teacher. List at least 2 questions that he can ask. Ravi's curiosity questions to ask teacher. How can good food act like medicine? Can eating a balanced diet prevent diseases? 4. Not all delicious foods are necessarily healthy. While not all nutritious foods are always enjoyable, share your thoughts along with a few examples. Delicious versus nutritious foods. Delicious but unhealthy. Chips, pizza, fried snacks. Tasty but junk food. Nutritious but less tasty for kids. Bitter gourd, spinach, millet. Healthy but not always liked. Conclusion, healthy food is more important, but it can be made tasty with a good cooking. Question number 5. Medu does not eat vegetables. It enjoys biscuits, noodles, and white bread. He often has a stomach ache and constipation. What changes should he make in his diet to get rid of these problems? Explain your answer. Medu's problem. Cause eating biscuits, noodles, and white bread, no fiber. Problem. Constipation, stomach ache. Solution. Eat more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and drink enough water. 6. Reshma had trouble seeing things in dim light. The doctor tested her eyesight and prescribed a particular vitamin supplement. He also advised her to include a few food items in her diet. One, which deficiency disease is she suffering from? Night blindness. Second one, which food component may be lacking in her diet? Vitamin A. Third question, suggest some food items that she should include in her diet to overcome this problem. Carrot, papaya, spinach, milk, tomato. Seventh, you are provided with the following: canned fruit juice, second fresh fruit juice, third fresh fruit. Which one would you prefer and why? Question number seven. Uh, canned juice, fresh fruit. This choice is fresh fruit because it has fiber, vitamins, minerals, and no added sugar or preservatives. Question number eight. Gaurav got a fracture in his leg. His doctor aligned the bones and put on a plaster. The doctor also gave him calcium tablets. On the second visit, the doctor gave him vitamin D syrup along with the calcium tablets. Refer to figure 3.5 and answer the following questions. Why did the doctor give calcium tablet to Gaurav? To make bones strong and heal the fracture. Second question. On second visit, why did the doctor give vitamin D syrup along with the calcium tablets? Vitamin D syrup helps the body absorb calcium. Question number three. What question arises in your mind about the choices made by the doctor in a given medicine? Question. Why is the vitamin D given along with the calcium? Question number nine. Sugar is an example of carbohydrates. Sugar is tested with iodine solution, but it does not change to blue-black color. What can be possible reason? Sugar test. Iodine solution turns blue-black only in the presence of starch, not with the sugar. That's why sugar did not change the color. 10. What do you think of Raman's statement? All starches are carbohydrates, but not all carbohydrates are starches. Describe the design of an activity to test your answer. Question number 10. Raman's statements. All starches are carbohydrates, but not all carbohydrates are starches. Correct. Carbohydrates include sugars, starch, cellulose. Starch is only one form of carbohydrate. Activity. Test starch with iodine. Turns blue-black. Test glucose with iodine. No change. Question number 11. While using iodine in the laboratory, few drops of iodine fell on Misty's sock and a few fell on teacher's sari. The drop of iodine on the sari turned blue-black, while the color on the socks did not change. What can be the possible reason? Iodine stains. Teacher's sari turned to blue-black, contained starch. Socks did not change color, no starch in the socks fabrics. Question number 12. Why are millets considered a healthy choice of food? Can eating just millets suffice for the nutritional requirements of the body? Discuss. Rich in fiber, iron, calcium, vitamins, prevent malnutrition, easy to grow in less water, good for farmers. Eating only millets is not enough. We need a balanced diet with all nutrients. 13. You are given a sample of a solution. How would you check the possibility of it being an iodine solution? Test the solution for iodine. Add starch like boiled rice paste to the solution. If it turns blue black, the solution contains iodine. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.